Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you all are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you onto my channel, man. I hope that everyone is good. If you've seen or you have not, I've been talking about this whole Shebeshet bail thing and him being in court and all of that. So check this out and then we'll talk.
6 for further investigation. The case is therefore so postponed and you will be in custody. Thank you. Court agents.
So guys, Shitsike, he did appear in Gondolo, and please forgive me, I have a runny nose. I do not know why. Yeah, so he was in court and Ibeliak, unfortunately, oh no, not unfortunately, Ibeliak, fortunate enough, or fortunately, was denied. So he's going to remain in custody up until next year, and then they're going to revisit Lenonzanzwake, and then they're going to Lentuzan. Now tell me why yini kanti mara sekudlala mina I feel like sekudlala ngathi kudlalwa ngathi. If this man does get bail bafethu, aha, if this man does get bail, uwenzani? Angithi niyambona ukuthi lo muntu lo, this is the same person umele azwelwe, this is the same person unabantu abasebenzayo, onengane edepende kuye. Nizongitshela ukuthi lo muntu ushintshile, nizongitshela ukuthi lo muntu lo kumele aphume aba out in the streets. Yini lama signs wakhe awenza ngezandla? Can what happened to uba remorsefully futhi nje not even ukuba remorsefully ke, because nakho lokho kuba an act only to find ukuthi umuntu is not even really remorseful. Lona nje hayi, I've even felt so that for ilawyer yakhe nje yena isizomsupport because nayo idinga imali and kule economy esikuyo, you know, and ilawyer yakhe futhi I'm sure angeke khona nokumkhuza nokumthethisa because bengayitlapa nokuyitlapa. You understand? Animeni kancane uShebeshet nje fahlale behind bars, guys. uShebeshet yazi, guys, there are people who are born kings, they are brought up to be kings. uShebeshet nje uyisikheleyeqe nje lo nje fayihlale nje behind bars. uShebeshet was made ukuthi ayihlale nje behind bars, ayiphele nje life yakhe khona nje, because now iproblem ukuthi niyamkhipha la uzomosha la ngaphandle, uzosimoshela, uzosilimaza, uzoyenza nje zonke izinto nje ezi-unnecessary, whereas ngabe yathatha nje lo muntu ayovalelwa le. But one thing I'll tell you is that uShebeshet mengalimaza umuntu omhlophe, ilapho le ndaba mhlawumbe uqala ithathe serious, ilapho. Hayi mina ningiyekeni.